This is lesson 10 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, and this is a review lesson of lessons 6 through 9. And in this drill, you're going to combine the words to create a sentence, and within these mixed up words, there are connectors. Now, you do not have to add any additional words to complete the sentence. So I'm going to give you the sentence in English, and you're going to have to organize them in Arabic. So number one, we have he will meet her after her return. In number two, we have I will not work. I will not work at the company, rather at the university. In number three, we have he was not only a professor, but he was a doctor as well. In number four, we have they arrived after his presence, or his arrival. They arrived after his arrival by an hour. Number five, khamsa. Despite his illness, he could travel tomorrow. In number six, we have he decided to work in business after his graduation. Number seven, Samir was born before Farida by 2 years. Number eight, despite the fact that he is poor, despite the fact that he was poor, he donated to the poor. Number nine, I didn't meet him, rather I met his wife. Number 10, عشرة, he didn't read, he didn't only read Arabic literature, but he read Western literature as well. أحد عشر, 11, the wafd, or the delegation, returned to Cairo. The delegation returned to Cairo after completing the talks. The delegation returned to Cairo after completing the talks in Paris. Number 12, it's not important to read. It's not important only to read, but it is most important to understand as well. So there you have, in English, the rendering of the Arabic. Now your job will be to combine the words together appropriately and connect them to their meanings. مع السلامة.